Hello students. Today we will study the chapter of cell division in plant cell and animal cell. Before we start the chapter, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Also watch till the end. Cell division is necessary for A. Growth of the organism by replacing old and dead cells. B. By production of new cells with new genetic makeup. C. By developing organs and organ systems. There are three types of cell division. A. Amitosis. B. Mitosis. C. Meiosis. Amitosis is a direct cell division in which cells divide directly into daughter cells without forming spindles and asters. Mitosis is equational cell division in which two daughter cells have same diploid chromosome as parent cell. Whereas meiosis is reductional division in which four daughter cells have half number of chromosomes than parent cell. In amitosis you can see both paramecium and amoeba divide directly into daughter cells without forming spindle fibers and asters. In mitosis, parent cell undergoes two-step division. In first step, nucleus undergoes division, whereas in second step, cytoplasm undergoes division. Nuclear division shows four stages, namely prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase. In meiosis, the cell after interphase undergoes division twice. After first division, two diploid daughter cells are formed, whereas after second division, four haploid daughter cells are formed. Meiosis takes place in gamete formation, and after fertilization, the chromosome number is maintained. Cell cycle is the sequence of events that takes place between two cell divisions in which A. Cell grows in size. B. Cell duplicates its genetic material. C. Cell divides into two daughter cells. Each cell cycle has two main phases, interphase or I phase having three stages, G1S, G2 other phase is mitosis or M phase in which first nucleus divides, the process is known as karyokinesis, and then cytoplasm divides, the process is known as cytokinesis. Interphase is the largest phase of cell division and is also known as resting phase, but nucleus enlarges in size as it prepares for cell division, chromatin is not clear, DNA duplicates, and after this nuclear division starts. Interphase is followed by karyokinesis, which is completed in four stages, that is prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase. In prophase, nuclear membrane and nucleolus disappear, chromatin shortens and condenses to form chromosomes, centrioles divide into two and move towards opposite poles, forming spindle fibers and asters. Next stage is metaphase, in which formation of spindles and asters is completed. Metaphase is followed by anaphase, in which centromere divides into two, forming two daughter chromatids which move towards opposite poles due to shortening of spindle fibers. Last stage of karyokinesis, called telophase, is considered to be opposite to prophase as nuclear membrane and nucleolus reappear, spindle and asters disappear, daughter chromosomes finally turn into chromatin, also centriole becomes complete again. After the completion of nuclear division, division of cytoplasm starts. In an animal cell, nuclear membrane starts invaginating from outside to inside, dividing cell into two daughter cells, whereas in plant cell the Golgi granules deposit from inside to outside, dividing cell into two daughter cells. Thanks for watching the video. Kindly like, share, subscribe my channel to watch part B, which is about meiosis.